the 3 herbs that kill them all, whether it's the eggs or the redia or the cercaria or myricidia.
These are all the stages.
These are all the complicated little stages, are a wormwood combination, which is easy to get, a ground clove preparation, which is also easy to get.
Just regular cloves?
Regular cloves, but it can't be out of the marketplace because that's too old. They have to be fresh.
Okay.
And the 3rd herb is an extract of the green hull of the black walnut tree.
Now these 3 together?
Together. You have to use them together because you have to kill everything at once. Otherwise one thing turns into the next.
Right, right. How long? How long do you have to take this?
5 days or 6 days.
That's it?
That's it.
And what happened? The parasites are...
Yes. All the parasitic stages are gone. Now you might think, well, the cancer still goes on, but it doesn't. That was the amazing thing.
Now, how many people... Go ahead.
Apparently, the growth stimulant, a central growth factor that is needed for all mitosis, for all cell division. And here now, with these little stages in your body, they are producing this or inducing it in you. And that's why your cells have to multiply. The good news is that when you kill them, all that growth factor is removed. That excess growth factor is immediately removed. And the cancer stops.